Let me do a video of my early 1960s, I'm assuming. It does not have a badge. Ward's chainsaw. Just finished restoring it. There we go. Took about 3 weeks. The bar I'm going to redo and do another video with some bluing, because this I sanded and clear coated and then cut a tree with it, and then I guess the clear coat came off and it is rusting. So I want to sand it again and do a video on bluing and see if that makes a difference, because just clear coating doesn't work. So here's the chainsaw. As you can see, the badge is missing, so I don't know what year. I'm assuming early 60s. Runs really good. I can't lay it on its side, so I can't do any horizontal cuts with it. So that really sucks. So we're just gonna turn it on and go use it for the tree I fell. It's a birch that was rotting. Let me tell you, using this thing for 2 hours broke me. I was down for 3 days. So we're gonna try it now. And my body's somewhat not broken. There you go. Let's go do a cold start and a cut for a little bit so you can see it.